Hello everyone, the Bod-hi Bomb, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to download free outros for your YouTube videos.
That's it, friend?
Now you may notice that my audio sounds different because I've just bought a new proper microphone, which I was talking about in my last video. I will show a picture of it on screen now. Anyway, let's get on with the tutorial. So to be able to download a free outro for your YouTube videos, you'll want to search up Footage Crate. So you're going to want to go to Footage Crate, wait for it to load, and then you'll see that it'll come up with all these like visual effects which are not outros. So what you're going to want to do is come up here and you're going to want to sign in. So when you sign in, it'll come up with like $10 or $39, but that $10 is just a donation, and to donate you have to select stuff, but it should all be fine. You just scroll down, create an account, so you can get, I think it's 5 free downloads a day. So once you've done that, you want to come up to FX and Media Elements, and then go down to YouTube. And then you see when you first open it up, there will be different outros for your YouTube videos to use. So the one which I've been using lately is this one here. I would use this one, but if there's a yellow star here, it means you'll have to have a pro account, which costs $39 a year. I'm pretty sure it's the only outro, yeah, but there's stuff here which can also be used in YouTube videos, but most of them you have to have a pro account to be able to use. So once you've found one or as many as you want to use, you just got to click this little download thing here. So I might download this one here, just click download, and then you'll see it'll start downloading here. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and you'll be able to use outros for your YouTube videos which are high quality HD. Subscribe, like and comment.